Gambling often starts as a bit of fun, a way to escape the pressure, to feel in control for a moment. But for many South Africans, it's no longer about fun, it's about survival. When money is tight and life feels uncertain, that small bet can whisper hope. Maybe this time, I'll win my way out. But the truth? Gambling doesn't relieve financial stress. It multiplies it. Instead of solving debt, it deepens it. Instead of building confidence, it breeds shame and secrecy. And while we chase the next win, what we're really losing is peace of mind. As a financial coach, I've seen that gambling isn't a money problem, it's a story problem. A story about fear, scarcity, and the need to feel enough. The good news is, you can rewrite that story. Coaching helps you find the space between impulse and intention, to rebuild confidence, create a plan, and make conscious choices that serve your future. If you're feeling trapped, know this: you are not alone, and there is help. Reach out for support from a financial coach, a counselor, or someone you trust. Because prosperity isn't built on luck, it's built on awareness, purpose, and one courageous decision at a time.